Hey, what's going on? This is Ola coming to you live from my myEmpirePRO studios. We're talking about number one alternative to connected investors. If you stumble into this video, there's a good chance that you know what connected investors are. If you don't, I'll share an idea with you that I think is going to help your wholesaling business. So let's talk about it. All right, what's going on? So let's talk about connected investors and the micro flipping real estate thing. These guys are, in my opinion, I think they created a movement that I think it's cool. You know, a network of investors that are ready to pick up deals from you. A website where people can list their properties, and you could just lock a property under contract, and then you can connect with the other side of things and talk to investors that are interested in purchasing deals. Now, here's the thing, okay? I think there's a better alternative. I think, okay, because honestly, we live in a data era. Okay, we live in the data era. Inside of the book, I have I think chapter 3. I could be wrong because I haven't reviewed this in a while. Yeah, chapter 3 in the book, right? This book right here, the same book that you're looking at. Chapter 3 is on data collection, right? And I talk about data collection extensively here. And I think there's data available for everything in this game now. That you really have no excuse to not win. Okay, and there's this. Let me show you right here. 100 million properties data, EmpireBigData.com. I've secured a deal for you for 7 days trial. You could try it out. But what I want to do right now is I want to share my screen with you. Okay, you can see my screen right now. Okay, let's go ahead and share that. And I want to show you something pretty cool. I think let's see. All right, awesome. All right, so this is EmpireBigData.com. okay, let me just show that bottom so you can. All right, and the beauty about this platform is that you literally have access to not just quote unquote investors. Anyone can claim to be an investor. You're probably an investor in your own right because you're investing time and energy into finding deeply discounted properties by locking properties under contract. That's what wholesaling is, right? And then you're flipping those contracts, right? But you're investing time. You're not investing cash. But we need cash to make this happen all around, right? To do these deals, you need people with cash, right? So in my opinion, this is a better alternative because this is actual property data records from the county government house. Okay, so for example, in this particular location in Sulphur Springs, Texas, let me close this. Let's go to Newark, New Jersey, right? Newark, New Jersey, right? So we're in Newark, New Jersey. We have literally access to 6,141 cash buyers. Okay, this is not just cash buyers for the sake of cash buyers. These are actually sales that were recorded. When you go to other platforms like connected investors and things, there are some real cash buyer investors, yes, right? However, it's also mixed in with anyone who call themselves an investor who haven't really purchased their first deal. So if I go here and I click into cash buyers and I look at this deal right here for 760 South 20th Street, I can literally go under cash sale. I can see that this was purchased for cash $150,000 by this person, by buyer Payne Alexander from Staten Island, and I can literally go skip trace that information. And Payne is a proven cash buyer that actually purchased a property. You see what I'm saying? It's different from just a bunch of lists of people that have never purchased anything before. So in my opinion, this is probably the best alternative to connected investors. Connected investors is cute. A bunch of people are gonna reach out to you that probably are testing waters. They're trying to also see if they could buy something, but they have no experience. It's different from sharks, actual sharks that are ready to buy their next deal, right? All right, it doesn't end there. That's not just that property. We have 6,000 worth of them, right? I could scroll down and go take a look at 159 South 11th Street and go on the cash sale. And I can see this was a $48,000. Okay, so now here's the problem. This property was, the sale was from 2009, so it's too old, right? So here's the beauty about this platform. I can literally, after I clicked this, I can literally go under filter, okay, and I can go under I can go under somewhere here. Let's see, ownership info. There you go. Last sales date. I want only last sale from the last 1 year, so I'm going to change this to 2020, right? I'm going to put that on the first, and then I'll close this, and now it's filtered my 6,141 down to 324. So these are more recent sales, all happened within the last 1 year. Okay, I click on that. Okay, I click cash sale, and I can see that this deal happened in September last year, 2020, the purchase of a 135. But now the buyer, I have the buyer's LLC information. I can literally go find this person's information. I can go to the state website, search for the owner of this LLC, skip trace their name, contact them, and then say, hey, I've got a deal for you. Do I have to do this right now? No. I can go ahead and continue to market to I can market to pre-foreclosures, 551 pre-foreclosures. I can market to high equity properties, vacant properties, 570. So I can market to any one of these houses that are vacant. This is a vacant house right here. This is what I mean by connected investors, right? Get this deal, find somebody, run campaigns. I can run campaign everything from here. I can skip trace from here. I can establish contacts, run campaigns from here. And then once somebody calls me and I lock a property under contract, on the same platform, I can literally turn around and go under cash buyer. Like I said here earlier, only deals from, I can literally set a filter under ownership information, and last date, it will be 2000. And I can literally do, I can go back just this year. Okay, I can say only sales from this year. Close that. Now we have 200. So these are actual sales that happen. Do you think these people want more deals? Of course they do, right? Some of them, not all of them, okay? But the idea, not only do you actually want to sell them this deal, once you establish contacts, so you can build relationship with these people, you could do business with them, you can find other ways you can add value to these people's business, okay? So that's something I wanted to share with you. As an alternative to connected investors. The micro flipping idea is a really cool idea. I'm not saying connected investors doesn't work. I just wanted to give you some other alternatives that you can probably leverage here and see if you can add to your arsenal. Okay, all right, so I think there are a million different ways to do this business. The idea ultimately is that you want to have a system that you can follow, so you can embed consistency into the game. As a human being, you don't have the capability of being consistent, okay? Because we get excited, we want varieties, at the same time we want certainty. It's an oxymoron. So make sure you set yourself up with a system that works. You can start by downloading the books and just take it from there. All right.